Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's December 20th, 2010. We are winding down this year, and as we go into the last 2 weeks of the year, we're in the holiday time period. We've got much less volume that we're expecting to happen here, and if any sizable orders come in, it's able to move the market quite a bit in one direction or the other, and we think that's what we're seeing here this morning in the grains. The grain markets are higher. Corn 3 to 5 higher, beans anywhere from 10 to 12 higher, wheat 10 to 12 higher. Not a lot of news around to justify that type of a move, but the idea is if any kind of fund or any large traders come in and buy this market, nobody's going to get in their way, at least early in the session, overnight, as we seen here today. Some of the news that is occurring, weather is a big factor. South American weather. Looks like Argentina got some rain here over the weekend. Of course, not enough, and not enough in all areas, but it did help the situation. Brazil got some rain. They're in pretty good shape right now. Australia didn't get any rain, so that was beneficial there. Wheat harvest is underway in the eastern part of the country now, and after a big delay, so things are improving there. And it looks like in Australia that we should have a pretty decent week to harvest as we go into the end of the year here. The factor that's limiting some of the excitement in on the bull side anyway, around the world at different exchanges, is the tension that's developing here in the Korean Peninsula. There is, the military exercise that South Korea has been doing is causing some concern, and that is heightening that tension and limiting the buying interest of traders in China at the Dalian exchange, and also causing some concern here in the U.S. The news out of Europe continues to drag on the euro, as comments here over the weekend that France and Belgium's credit may be downgraded. That is certainly a concern and should provide some strength to the dollar. However, the dollar this morning basically unchanged. Crude oil's up slightly, 20 to 30 cents, and gold right now is up about $8. So looking at the grain market, expect some movement here, some support to come in under this market. I think sell-offs should be well supported as we go into the end of the year. Traders are anticipating that there will be some fund activity again starting shortly after January 1st, so that will provide us some support here in the grain market as we move through these holiday time period. Over in the livestock, we did have a cattle on feed report on Friday. On feed 103, placed 106, marketed 109. Those numbers are a little on the bearish side. Trade was looking for a little better marketing numbers than that, a little less place numbers. However, when you analyze the numbers, it really isn't that bearish of a number. It shows that we've actually been marketing quite a few cattle. On the placement side of things, how you can extrapolate bullishness out of it is that the placement numbers have been heifers, and it's giving us the indication that these cow-calf men are not expanding their herds, and which means that we're going to be tighter supply for feeder cattle as we go down the road. So ultimately a friendly number when looking at the big picture. Cutout values up 56 cents in choice. Select pretty much unchanged. The early call here this morning for cattle is steady to maybe a little bit weaker after the rally that we've seen there on Friday. In the hog complex, pork cutout values were down about 85 cents on Friday. We did have a strong move in the futures on Friday, and I think that could give us some support here this morning. Cash hogs are steady to on the weak side. A lot of the packers have already got their needs booked all the way through the end of the year. The snowstorm and that is possible here over the next few days through the upper Midwest could slow down movement of hogs and create a tighter supply and cause the packers to bid up here in the next few days. But other than that, we'll be looking at following the technicals very closely in the livestock to give us some direction on which way we might go here over the next 2 weeks. So stay in touch with Allendale Research. We'll keep you informed. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. Don't forget to sign up for the conference. That's coming up here in January. And we wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning.